Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you the instructions for how to crochet this ridges, wrap, or blanket. So let's get started. To make this easy wrap, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 89. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that turning chain will count as a double crochet. Now you're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. After you've worked all the way across your row, making 1 double crochet in each stitch, that's what your row will look like. And for the next row, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And you're going to double crochet in the next 9 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'like that, and that turning chain will count as the first double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to make a back post double crochet. So yarn around the hook, and there's the next stitch. From the back, around the post, work a double crochet. Like that. And now across the row, you're going to work 10 double crochet and then another back post double crochet. So 10 double crochet. Like that. There's the back post double crochet that we made. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'll make another back post double crochet. So yarn around the hook. So from the back, around the post, and complete the double crochet. And there's the back post double crochet. So you're going to continue that all the way across the row. So that's 10 double crochet and then a back post, and then 10 and then a back post. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, and at the end of the row you're going to end with 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the next row, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And turn. That chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Now we're going to make a double crochet in each of these 9 double crochet, and then when we get to this, which is the back post double crochet, we're going to make a front post double crochet. So I'm going to work my way over, and then I'll show you how to do that front post double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and work 9 double crochet. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 9 double crochet, and there's that back post double crochet. Now I'm going to work a front post double crochet. So yarn around the hook from the front behind the post, complete a double crochet. And you're going to continue that across the row. 10 double crochet. Okay, I have my 10 double crochet. In this stitch, I'm going to make my front post double crochet, so yarn around the hook, insert under the post from the front, and then complete the double crochet. And that's going to form a ridge, like that, all the way up your wrap or blanket. And so now you're just going to repeat these 2 rows until your blanket or wrap is the length that you would like it to be. So just continue to repeat those 2 rows, and then if you like you can add tassels, and the tassels are added at the base of each of these ridges. And to make the tassels, you're going to cut yarn 12 inches long, and you'll fold it in half, and then when you're ready to attach your tassel, you'll insert your hook at the base of one of these ridges, and you'll pick the fold up and pull it through, and then pick up the yarn ends and pull those through. And you can make your fringe with many strands or just one. And that's all you need to know to be able to crochet this very easy wrap or blanket. And I place the link for the PDF downloadable pattern in the first comment below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.